Learn to become an early riser and feel refreshed as you enjoy a full productive day with the help of our powerful subliminal album. Using this album will give you the extra advantage of increased subliminal condition and discipline to wake up and get up at the same time. Don't continue to sleep your life away. Listen this album, become an early riser and take the first step towards a new energetic productive future. Ladies and gentlemen, you are about to listen subliminal music. This subliminal music contains subliminal messages. A subliminal message is any piece of information which is sent beyond the limit of human perception. However, the subliminal messages still get processed by your subconscious mind. In this way, positive changes can be made without your pre-existing self-beliefs getting in the way and without holding you back. Listen to our album while relaxing or even play them in the background while doing your daily tasks, and the messages will begin to enter your mind by creating this focus of information being received. You can make lasting positive changes in your mind and to your life. Changes which will give you a mental edge towards pursuing your goals. Don't forget to subscribe our channel Dr. Santosh Parab and clicking on notification bell for more subliminal hypnosis and motivational videos. So let's begin.